How to download Waze app on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download Waze app on Android. For this, you want to open up Play Store app on your device. Make sure to sign into your Google account over here. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, the search bar will appear. Tap on that. Here, you want to type Waze and then tap on the search icon. Out of the search results, tap on this one. This is the application you want to download. Now, to get more information on the app, tap on About This App option. Here it says that with the Waze app, you will be able to avoid delays. You get real-time GPS navigation, safety alerts, and live traffic in the Waze application. If you want to download this, go ahead and tap on the Install option. Once you tap on this, the downloading will begin. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. After the installation has been completed, tap on the Open option, sign into your account, and start using the Waze app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.